Good evening, parents. Today is Open House 2025. I'm Golden Brown with my co-anchor, Nadeem Shapiro, and today we're bringing you a broadcast similar to what your child sees each morning here at Palmetto.
Each day, we bring school announcements and reports of world news to Panther community, utilizing our live morning broadcast and TVP in a Minute for our Instagram.
Let's start with a message from our principal, Miss Victoria Dobbs, to officially welcome you to Palmetto's Open House.
Hello, Panther families. My name is Victoria Dobbs, and I want to welcome you to our open house. Tonight, you're going to get to walk in your children's steps and see what Miami Palmetto is all about. We encourage you to look around our school, engage with your child's teachers, and ask all the questions that you have. Please encourage your child to participate in clubs and sports. At Miami Palmetto, there's something for everyone. We can't wait for you to get to know our community here at Palmetto and see for yourself what makes our school so special. We hope you have a wonderful evening and find yourself excited to join the Panther community.
Thank you. And now for TVP's daily segment, 3 Things You Should Know, highlighting important world and national news and pop culture events. However, for Open House, we're switching it up and making it 3 Things You Should Know, highlighting what's going on here on our campus.
In Palmetto Sports News, brought to you by the Panther Sports Network, our Panther football team faces Columbus this Friday at 7 at Tropical Park. Make sure to show up and support, and make sure to wear white. Go Panthers.
Homecoming 2025 is coming September 29th to October 4th. This year, the theme is Subscribe to the HOCO Bundle, featuring a bundle of events themed after Disney+, ESPN, and Hulu. Stay tuned to our social media account at MPSH Activities for more information. Tickets to the dance taking place on October 4th are on sale now. To purchase tickets, please go to OSP and the Palmetto website for instructions. Look for more homecoming events to top off the week of excitement, including our annual Panther Prowl Pep Rally on September 30th and the big game against South Dade on October 3rd. See you there.
And finally, last week was Palmetto's Activities Fair. This 2-day event was a chance for your child to sign up for any of our over 65 clubs on campus. For more on our story, we go to our co-producer, Alex Perrodin. Alex?
Thank you, Nikki. Last week's club fair was full of activity, and our students were given the opportunity to sign up for further information from all of our organizations, performing groups, clubs, service organizations, and honor societies. They all offer different ways to become members. 9th and 10th grade students were brought down with their English classes to have more time to browse the offerings in a smaller group setting. 12th and 11th graders were able to attend during their lunches.
Alex, what are some things parents can ask their children about clubs if they want them to get more involved?
Well, they can find out which clubs their child signed up for and remind them to check their emails and text messages for any messages that invite them to the first meetings. They can also encourage their child to visit the school website in the activities section in order to get more information on our clubs and our contact information for those sponsors. Parents, remind your children to get involved and let them know that clubs are the best place to find something to be passionate about.
Thank you, Alex.
That's all the news for today. Thank you for joining us at Open House, parents. Enjoy the rest of your night and make it a great day.
Good evening. I'm excited to welcome you and your child to the 2025-2026 school year, our 140th year of serving the students and families of Miami-Dade County. We have been the heart of education in this community since 1885. Parents, thank you for choosing Miami-Dade County Public Schools for your child's educational journey. With a graduation rate of 95.2%, MDCPS has been an A-rated district for 6 consecutive years and is ranked among the top 10 school districts in Florida. We are committed to excellence, choice, innovation, and safety. MDCPS educators, school leaders, and support staff are invested in your child's success in the classroom and beyond. Safety, remains our top priority. With a dedicated police officer assigned to every school, our district proudly maintains the largest school police force in the nation. Open House is a great opportunity to explore your child's school, connect with their teachers and school leaders, and experience firsthand the learning environment and educational programs offered. Parents, your support and involvement are essential as we join forces to ensure every student learns and grows in a supportive environment. Be sure to keep your contact information current, download the Dade Schools mobile app, and follow us on social media. At Miami-Dade County Public Schools, we know student success starts with health and wellness. That's why we've expanded our Health Connect partnership with the Children's Trust and the Florida Department of Health to reach every public school by bringing nurses, mental health professionals, telehealth, and mobile services directly to campuses. We're ensuring all students have access to the care they need to thrive. Ask your school about available services and scan the QR code on the screen to learn more. We look forward to an amazing year ahead. Thank you for choosing MDCPS, your best choice.